Hi there, welcome back to the 30th video Learn Excel with Karpagam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do VLOOKUP from another worksheet. Let's get started. I have two tables here. One represents the basic table or the primary table on which I'm going to do the VLOOKUP of G column. And in the second table, it represents the VLOOKUP range table. What is that I want to do here is I want Excel to look into the sales figure of each and every one of the sales representative. Go and compare it in the range table. When any of the sales matches with the sales range, then return the corresponding sales percentage in G column. This is what I want to do. Even before starting a VLOOKUP, when your VLOOKUP range table comes from another sheet, please name your range and rename your table. I'm as of now doing table underscore 1, hit enter. When you go back to the name box and choose table 1, it shows this is what the range that we have taken. The main important reason is when you use a VLOOKUP from another worksheet, you can always use a name range so that it is very easy to fetch the data. When you look at the column index number, sales range is the column 1 and commission percentage is in the column 2. Please remember, we are not going to come back to sheet 2 when we are doing a VLOOKUP. Let's go back. Equal to VL tab. Where is the lookup value? Lookup value is in F7, comma. Where is the table array? We have already created a name range, so we are not going back to sheet 2. Press function F3. This is the shortcut to bring in paste name dialog box. Go and click on table 1. This is the name we have given it to the VLOOKUP range table in sheet 2. Click OK, comma. What is the column index number? Commission percentage was in the column index number 2 of the VLOOKUP range table 2, comma. What is the range lookup? Is it a true match or is it a false match? We need a true match, so I'm supplying 1 here. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now that you can see the commission percentage is created here. When I double click at the pointer, the commission percentage is calculated for the entire table. And for our better reference, I'm just going and copying the V range table and pasting it in our sheet 1. When you look at the range table, you can see 73,403 falls below 75,000, so it is a 10%. 27,592 falls in the range below 30,000, so it is a 5%. 38,834 falls in the category of less than 40%, so it is a 6%. Now that we have calculated the commission rate, let's go and calculate the commission. Equal to F7 into G7. Click enter. You can see the commission is calculated for the salesperson Richard Johnson. When I double click at the pointer, the commission is calculated for the entire people. This is one of the best way wherein you can use VLOOKUP to extract the data from another worksheet, but always make sure that you create a name range for your table so that it avoids all the problems. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. See you soon.